and you, God forbid you got an old stove with a pilot light next door, kill the pilot light. There's not many pilot lights left anyway, I don't think, in stoves. Is there anybody got one left? I think most of them are gone anyway. I think they're illegal in the city now. Anything with a pilot light. Okay? Now, you do the same situation. You put a little in here. It's very liquidy, very runny. You do the same thing here. Now when you push it together, you turn it a little bit.
Hold it.
And hold it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the whole idea. Hold it a little bit. Gotta hold it because it has a tendency to push itself apart.
What brand of glue is that one?
Huh?
The brand.
HVC or something?
The glue. What brand is that?
Oh, there's all sorts of brands out there. Okay? Clear, regular PVC.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Okay? The primer actually comes in clear too. A lot of folks like the purple because you can see you did it. If you're doing a whole bunch of these joints throughout a bathroom or you're working on something with a pump or something, you know, you're going fast, you might forget it. If it looks clear, you say, okay, I think I did it. You can't miss the purple. There's really no effect between the clear or the color one. It's all the same stuff. Okay, I particularly like the color one. I know I did it.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's it. This is probably ready to go. So if you were going to use this on a hookup on a pump or something, or this was under the sink and you're putting your trap to it, this is ready to go. Dries very fast. You got one shot at this. And you can see when you push it in, it goes all the way to the stop at the bottom of the fitting. You want it to push all the way in. You don't want it to stop halfway, because that's a weak fitting. This all depends on how much surface is covered for the strength to keep it from leaking. Okay? This will last for 30, 40, 50 years.
Wow.
Just like this. Okay? This is a great way to do everything. If it's drains and things like that. I got mess of fittings. I got some glue. If I don't have enough, we'll do this again tomorrow night. I got a box of fittings here, little elbows. I got pipe. A couple of, see what hacksaws I got.
Hacksaws.
Do some practice. You can use the same pipe vices that we threaded the pipe in. Stick them up in the vices. We can use, I'll set up the shop saw next door right here, and you can chop it off with the electric saw.